Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make resin wood trays using Dollar Tree wood trays. So Dollar Tree has some various types of wood trays, and I just had an idea to try testing it out. I actually like how they all came out. They're not perfect because again they were testers, but they're good enough where you can actually, make use out of it. These would be perfect for trinkets and jewelry. So this is the first one I made. As you can see, I was playing around with the paint and whatnot, and you can see there's a little bit of resin I had to trim off at the ends. So that was the very first one. Obviously it was a tester. This one I tested out using paint to see if it would make the colors pop, because if you can see, you can kind of see the wood, and I didn't like that. And this one's my absolute favorite. I only painted the interior because I thought it looked better. However, I might paint the exterior, but for now I just leave it like this. This is supposed to be galaxy themed. This is supposed to be ocean themed. And then this was just, again, I was just testing out the colors. Okay, so in terms of supplies, what I use are these silicone mats from Micheal. And then for extra protection, I got these like kitchen, I think they're like kitchen drawer mats. I don't know, I found them at Dollar Tree, and they're just really good for, obviously mess purposes. And then you'll need your wood trays. Dollar Tree, well, some Dollar Trees I've noticed usually have these wood trays, and they usually have different styles. So right now we're just both using the star trays, but I know they have handles with like hearts and ovals, and yeah. And then you'll need the resin. I use the amazing ClearCast 2-part resin. You can find this at Joann's or Michael's. You need painter's tape. If you want to use paint on the wood, you need, I forget what this is called, but you need this to hold the paint. You need paint. I'm using matte because I noticed how matte works better on the wood than acrylic does. Meaning the acrylic seems to have seeped into the wood, whereas the matte seems to like really pop. Paint brushes also from Dollar Tree. Popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree. Little cups from Dollar Tree to separate the resin. A big cup from Dollar Tree to mix the resin. When you buy a pack, at least with this one, it comes with measuring cups, so you should be all good. A big popsicle stick to mix the resin. You need your colors. I got this from a pack from Michael's. And you need your heat gun, which is where I also got this from, Michael's. Now, all of this is optional. You don't have to use the paint. And then I also like to keep on me a bottle of rubbing alcohol. I got this at Dollar Tree. And then some cotton rounds, because this can get a little messy, and resin is a little tricky to clean up, but I have found that rubbing alcohol does the best in cleaning it up, meaning like off of like the surface or off your hands and whatnot. But you should be wearing gloves and wearing a mask when you're making resin.